What does it take to become a front-end developer? You thought building websites meant creativity until you spent 4 hours moving one button. Now your entire happiness depends on whether the CSS survives mobile view, and somehow you keep coming back. Welcome to Front-End Development. Age 18, you decide you're gonna build cool websites. Easy money. You learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for 5 minutes everything makes sense. Then you try centering a div. It moves left. You search how to center a div, and suddenly you have 37 tabs open and 3 existential crises. You finally launch your first portfolio website feeling proud, then open it on mobile and watch the entire page explode sideways. Salary? $0. Confidence? Mostly pretend. Age 24, junior front-end developer. Your manager says, quick fix, just change the button color. You change one CSS class. Suddenly, the navbar vanishes, images stretch like balloons, and the login button teleports to another dimension. You discover every piece of front-end code is secretly connected by dark magic. The designer asks, can we move it 2 pixels left? You zoom in 500% trying not to cry. Clients ask, can you make it pop? Nobody explains what that means. You deploy on a Friday afternoon once. Slack explodes immediately. Salary? £35,000. Age 35. Senior developer now. The junior dev runs over panicking. The site is broken! You take one sip of coffee and calmly say, clear cache. Everything magically works again. Now meetings take over your life. Every 6 months, someone suggests redesigning the entire app from scratch. The internet keeps announcing that React is dead, then Vue is dead, then Angular is dead. Meanwhile, you're just trying to finish one ticket before another meeting gets scheduled. Salary, $120,000. Age 60. Retirement. No Slack messages. No Jira tickets. No emergency deploys at 2 a.m. Peace at last. Then you open a random website and notice the button is slightly off center. No. You zoom in instinctively. That padding is uneven. At 3 a.m. you suddenly wake up in panic, wondering if you pushed to production. After decades of fixing bugs, chasing deadlines, and millions of button clicks, yeah, worth it.